All right, this is a pretty small proof, but there's a whole lot of stuff left up to you in the middle here. So let's see. First of all, we are told that there are two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 measures 30 degrees. Angle 2 measures twice as much as angle 1. That's all told to me in the given. Okay? So what am I going to want to do with that? Well, if I know that measure of angle 2 is twice measure of angle 1, first thing I would want to do, since I already know what angle 1 measures, is plug that in. That's substitution. Excuse me. And then taking that and just simplifying that 2 times 30 is 60, we could just say simplify. Now, it would be perfectly reasonable in most proofs for you to just go straight from here to here, to not say simplify, to go ahead and plug in, and by saying plugging in, I'm substituting this in, get 60. In other words, go straight from here to here. Measure of angle 2 is 2 times 30, which is 60. I'd be fine with that. It's just that they gave us two spaces to say it in, so they must want us to split it up. Okay? Then we have, here's another one where we're going to have to split up stuff that we could say probably in one step. If I add up the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 2, I get 60 plus 30. Okay? We could just call that addition. We could call it addition. We could call it addition property of equality. You're sort of adding 30 to both sides by adding the measure of angle 1 over here and adding it 30 over here. And then simplifying is taking the 60 plus 30 and making it 90. I know that we have to go here because that's what complementary means. It means they add up to 90. So at some point before we say they're complementary, we have to have said that they add up to 90. And so that's where we're headed with this. This is one of those proofs where they're doing it in excruciating detail. We could probably do it in a lot fewer steps, maybe in 3 or 4 at most. And I would not want to give you one of these because I think it's a little confusing. Why do I need that many steps? That kind of thing. What do you want me to say here? Because there doesn't seem to be anything else to say. That kind of proof. But that's what was going on in this one.